Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate the speaker on an Apple AirTag. Now the reason why I'm showing you this is for purposes of, let's say you want to place your AirTag on something like a bicycle, for example, and your bicycle gets stolen and you don't want the thieves knowing where the AirTag is located. So this is to prevent them from finding it, taking it off, and then you can't find the bicycle anymore. So I'm going to show you through these simple steps here what to do and how to take out the speaker in order to safely secure your products. So the way that AirTags normally work is that they communicate via Bluetooth. And let's say your bicycle, for example, gets stolen and you want to locate it. Well, you press the locate my AirTag and it sets off not only a audible alert, but then it can be picked up by other people's devices. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the speaker, as I'm here going to show you. So you'll first open up your AirTag box. You'll then take out the piece here. Now you're going to want to make sure that you've connected your AirTag first, so you make sure you have your Bluetooth on, and then once you've pulled that tab out, you'll just hit connect, and I'm going to label it as bike, and now it's connected. And just to make sure that it is working, I'm gonna play a sound. And then just to test it out, the sound does work. So to first start by removing the speaker, you're going to want to twist the lid here, and you're gonna wanna take that cover off as well as the battery. So in order to remove the speaker, it is behind this case here. And what you're gonna wanna need is some sort of razor blade, because it needs to be thin to get into this part here. And you're gonna wanna remove 3 clips around here. So the first clip that we're gonna wanna need to do is we're gonna need to take our razor blade and right where this hole is here and just right up here, pry into here. So that's for the first clip. The next clip is going to be in between this gap here. So right here, coming up here. And so to make it easier, just in case I don't forget, I'm gonna want to go right there and mark it. And the final one, which I didn't show earlier, is gonna be right down here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our razor blade and gently pry into that area back and forth until the clip comes loose. So it is gonna be just delicate here. And I'm just going back and forth, gently trying to get in between. I'm slowly making progress here. All right, and it's slowly come out, and it looks like I didn't break it. Now sometimes the speaker can get stuck to the lid here, so you'll just take your razor blade and pull it off. In my case, it did not, so you just want to be very delicate, and this is the speaker here in the center. You just want to gently pull out the speaker, and I just want to pull that off, and it looks like the speaker has come out. So now the AirTag speaker is deactivated. So you just want to take those clips again, you just want to line everything up. So I want to make sure again, by marking it with that pen, you just take this and you just push this back in place. You should hear that click. Now it's back into place. We'll then add back our battery and our battery lid and twist it on there. Now I want to verify that this all works, so I'm gonna click on my bike. I just want to make sure that I know that AirTag does work, and it says that it's here. And so yes, this confirms again that everything works. We've deactivated the sound of the AirTag, and now you can secretively hide this on somewhere like a bike, for example, that you need. So if it gets stolen, you can properly locate it. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.